SC-type field installable connector assembly video. SC connector components are housing, dust cape, release kit, connector body, ring, boot, and 2mm tube and 3mm tube. Assembly tools are cleaver, fixture, Kevlar scissors, fiber optic stripper, wiper, and alcohol. Assembly procedure. Make the length of 65mm by fixture, or make the length by ruler. Strip the 65mm jacket section. Insert 900 micrometer fiber into boot. Make the length of 23mm by fixture. Or make the length by ruler. Strip the length of 0.9mm buffer. Perform screening test. Clean the bare fiber by wiper with alcohol. Place end of fiber buffer into the groove of fixture. Cleave the 0.125mm fiber to 27mm length. Remove dust cape. Insert fiber slowly into connector body until the fiber barges the end face of ferrule. Insert ferrule into the dust cape until resistance is felt. Remove the release kit at this moment. Push ring into the connector body. Tight the Kevlar fiber and insert the boot to connector body. Stop to insert boot when the gap is about 1mm. Cut the Kevlar fiber. Insert the boot again. Housing assembly and then remove dust cape. Clean the end face of ferrule by wiper with alcohol. Insert dot cape, and then the assembly procedures are done. Notice. Suggestion: inspect the end face quality of fiber after assembly completion. On installation procedure. Remove housing out. Insert release kit into connector body. Remove boot out. Pull ring out. Remove fiber out. Insert boot back. On installation completion. Thank you.